Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful Saturday. I know it's a little late for my postings, but that is because, honestly, it's just been a week, y'all, for real. It's been a week and I am tired and so I'm just going to kind of briefly explain why I haven't been filming and why the next few videos may look the way they look and aren't meant. I really honestly don't know that they're going to be up to my normal standard, and I do apologize for that, but I do want to go ahead and get them up for you guys. But as most of you know, Christopher had the flu. Well, prior to that, he had some stomach issues. Right before that, he had a sinus infection, so it's just kind of been bam, bam, bam with him getting sick. And then now this week, I have not felt good at all. I have literally had no energy, and I am in a flare with my RA and fibromyalgia, so it has zapped me, and yeah, it's just not been fun. And I'm gonna tell you something, I don't know where y'all live, because I'm not sure, you know, who's watching. You know, if you live in California, Ohio, or Maine, New Jersey, or Florida, Texas, I'm not sure, but here in North Carolina, Mother Nature, y'all, her and I have kind of been neck and neck this week. Like, she doesn't know if she's coming or going, okay? One day it's 80 degrees and sunny, the next day it's like 40 and rainy, and then it's like 60 with like 20-mile-an-hour winds and cloudy. I'm telling you, the weather this week has just been a nightmare, and it has just kicked up my allergies and sinuses, and it's just been tough. But anyway, so that's what's been going on. We went to the movies today. We took Christopher to see the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie, and that's why you're getting like mom mode right now, where I just pulled my hair back. I took a shower this morning and I did not wash my hair. Mom life. Day 2 of dry shampoo, okay? Take it or leave it. Literally a little bit of moisture and serum on my face, moisturizer and serum. Just slapped on some eyeliner so I didn't look, you know, deathly, and some chapstick. That's it. That's all I've got in me for y'all right now. I apologize, but let's get to the video, because I've been talking for a little over two and a half minutes, and that's not what you came here for. You came here to see what is in the Ipsy Valentine mystery bag. So I know today is the day after Valentine's Day. This actually arrived today. So Ipsy had a mystery Valentine's bag. It was $14, and I always try to pick up the mystery bags when they do them, because I feel like even if, you know, it's a product I already have, it's a win-win, because it can go into a giveaway for one of you guys, or if it's something I don't have, I get to try something new. So let's get in here and see what this is about. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of information and explain why I may be a little out of it for a few videos, because I'm going to go ahead and film my Ipsy versus Ipsy, and I'm going to film my Hank and Henry mystery box. I'm going to film my BoxyCharm and Boxy Premium. So I'm going to try and pump out a little bit tonight, because like I said, I have not filmed all week. But let's see what we got in here. Like I said, this was $14. So, oh, okay. So right off the bat, I can already see two things outside of the bag. And the bag is so cute. It's like this soft velour almost. It is so soft, and it's kind of the same color here as the Glam Bag Plus was. And I love how it's like, since it's Valentine's Day, it kind of looks like an envelope, like a love letter. I love that. I love the bag. I think the bag is gorgeous. So let's start with the items that were outside of the bag. And this is from Midflower. This is Hyaluronic Moisturizing Sheet Mask. And there are, oh, there's more than one in here. So, then they are the same. So we got 2 sheet masks. That's a pretty good start, right? And then we also got, this is a Moda Pro BMX265 Glow Brush right here. So it's like a highlighter brush. is what it looks like. But you can use a brush for whatever you want to use it for. I've probably used, goodness, that handle's textured. I can feel that and see it. So it's not wanting to come out of the bag. But there is what it looks like. So that feels really, really nice. And then this is what I was talking about, is it's got like a ribbed texture. And I do like that, and that to me would be really good for highlight. I mean, you can, like I said, you can use brushes for whatever you want to use them for. So now, first two products, yes. So let's get in here and see what we got in the actual mystery bag. Okay, wow. We got the Betty Boop and Ipsy. Can't talk. Betty Boop and Ipsy collaboration. This is the Cheek to Cheek blush palette. So here's the actual package. And then there are the colors. And these two are shimmery. This one is a matte finish. I'm not going to swatch them because I will be putting this into a future giveaway. But so far, we are 3 for 3. I think this is an awesome bag so far for a mystery bag. It's definitely, just with these 3 products, I can say probably one of the best mystery bags I've ever seen from Ipsy. All right, and then we got, all right, this is from Wander Beauty, and I think I actually recently got this in one of my Ipsy bags. Okay, I can't get it open. It's just not working. But it is, you can't see it, I don't think. It's from Wander Beauty, and it's their Wondrous Glow. It's a highlighter, and this is in After Hours. So this is a single highlighter. It is a very pretty color. This is the one that I have received before. I will be putting this to the side for a giveaway as well. All right, and then we got Unicorn Glow. We got a hydrating primer. So there is that. And then the last item, and the last mystery bag I got was like their New Year's bag, or Best of 2019, and I got one of these in that. They've started this bag swag stuff, and this looks like, so they're going definitely with the Valentine's theme right here. So that's cute, and it has like this kind of clip, so you could clip this onto an Ipsy bag, your purse, whatever, you know, you may want to clip it onto. So let's see, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So that is not bad, and like I said, I think these are actually really cute. They do have them available for purchase, like when you can do add-ons and things. I just never really thought about purchasing one, but I did get, like I said, it was like a champagne bottle that said Ipsy, and I did actually clip it onto my keychain once I got it, because I was kind of like, oh, well, you know, I do love some Ipsy. So, so I will put this to a future giveaway as well. And so we're going to have this guy right here. That'll be in a future giveaway. This will be in a future giveaway. This will be in a future giveaway. And I'll go ahead and add this to a future giveaway as well. So I got the motor brush and the 2 sheet masks. So I think this seriously was the best mystery bag I've ever received from Ipsy. I mean, to get a brush, 2 sheet masks, those are both full size. This is obviously full size. And then this is a really great formula with the highlighter. We got the primer and then the bag swag. So, and then of course, like I said, you can't forget this cute little love letter type bag, and it's the velour velvet, and it does say Ipsy there. So let me know your thoughts. Again, I apologize for not being woo, but let me know if you picked one of these up. If you did, what did you get? I love hearing from you guys. I hope you had a wonderful day and a very happy Valentine's Day yesterday. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.